I planted these bougainvillea cuttings 18 days ago, and now look at them. How much they have grown. All in just 18 days and without using any rooting hormone powder. So if you want similar results, make sure to watch this video till end. A few days ago, one of my friends pruned his bougainvillea plant and threw the cuttings outside. I found these bougainvillea cuttings on the roadside, so I thought, why not give them a try and grow a new plant from them? First, you have to take the right bougainvillea cutting. So here I am choosing a thick bougainvillea cuttings with around the length of 6 inches and with multiple nodes. Take your pruner and make a cut 1 inch below the node area. For successful results, make sure your cuttings have multiple nodes. Take your pruner and remove all the thorns and leaves from the cuttings, because if the leaves remain, they will drain out all the moisture from the cuttings. I have removed all the thorns and leaves from these cuttings. You should do the same in exactly this way. Now I am taking a fungicide, about 1 spoonful, and I am going to soak the cuttings in it so that they stay protected from the infections. I am leaving the cuttings in this fungicide solution for about 10 minutes. Make scratches at the bottom part of the cuttings. From these scratches, the new roots will emerge. Here I am using aloe vera as I don't have any rooting hormone powder. We need to apply aloe vera gel like this on the scratched part of the cuttings. Do the same as I am doing. To grow bougainvillea cuttings, here I am using construction sand. If you don't have construction sand, you can also use river sand as well. Now I am making some holes in the sand to place my cuttings. Now I will plant these cuttings in this construction sand. Now I will gently press the sand around the cuttings. Make sure the cuttings doesn't move, otherwise it won't be able to grow. I have placed all these cuttings in the sand. I have also applied some fungicide on the top of these cuttings so to protect them from fungus. Now all I have to do is cover these cuttings from a polythene bag and wait for the results. After 18 days, the results are very good. All of the cuttings have grown very well, and it's just been 18 days. If I kept this cutting for longer time, they would have grown very well also. Here you can see the some of my cuttings leaves are turning black. This is due to the nutrition deficiency. So from this time I will give them an organic micronutrient fertilizer with very low amount, nearly 2 to 3 drops in a liter. So they will grow very good roots in future times. So here I am showing some of the cuttings roots. The roots haven't grown very large because I gave them very little time. If I had allowed them more time, nearly 40 to 50 days, the roots would have developed very much. So thank you for watching this video, and if you give a like for this video, it will be very helpful for me. Again, thank you for watching this video.